And the first three fingers, put up the first three fingers. And we have that, everyone sitting down, pick up your left hand. And do the same thing. Now close your fingers like this. When we get a picture, so y'all can't complain. Y'all say, so, before we introduce the main, you're not talking. So before we introduce our main blood fella,
go ahead,
I'm just gonna share a little bit about it.
I'll go first.
Oh? He's so hard.
Okay. I didn't get that much time. It's a little something. I don't know what you do sometimes. Okay. 19 of age. Dreaming of a football game. All starts to man. Holding on to girls at the age of 7th grade. Until Jesus tore his heart by the end. So, very food is Chinese other than the word.
Thanks, what's up?
That's all.
With looks like Anna Victoria and strength like Jesus, Stella is a woman of God and it ain't no secret. You see what I did there? Like Victoria and secret? No, I don't mean physical stuff. I meant to go a little deeper. I mean like Victoria's healer, because God, in her words, was the reason she's still breathing. Her survival is a cause of him. See, destiny ain't conceived the child as blessed as she is. See, her smile like David singing songs to God, her favorite scripture. Stella is not the same old girl I went to school with years ago. Wow. She's matured into a loving soul. So please snap it up for Smart and Bella, sister from another mister, Stella.